Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I am going to be showing you what platform is best for the analysis of stocks. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser. I use the investing.com, which is a great website for analyzing your stocks. There are many websites out there which you can use for the analysis of stocks like TradingView, Robinhood, etc. But I use this investing.com because I like this stock, as you can analyze different as there are different indicators available in this website for your analysis. I will show you right now. Well, there's one other thing I want to tell you. If I load up the chart of the PSX Pakistan Stock Exchange corporate website, there is one difference between these, that the data loads earlier on this platform, and it is delayed on this one. That is the main difference. Maybe it is also this difference is also on the other platforms as well, but especially I've noticed on these two. You can see all of the stocks are available here of the Pakistan Stock Exchange. It is only of Pakistan Stock Exchange. But this one, the investing.com, you can search any stock here. Stocks, ETFs or bonds, anything you want. And as you can see, I've turned these into candlesticks. Now these have appeared candlesticks. You can use these as well. These are trend lines, to draw trend lines right here. This is also available in TradingView. These options are also available there. You can see fib retracement, trend based fib extension, these are also here, and some as well. These are arrows, you can see here, for pointing off. You can see here like this. I will search here Apple stocks. I'm going to view now tradingview.com. You can see here this Apple. This is the American, the US stock Apple. I don't know this one. This one is also Apple. If as you can see, I've only typed in Apple, APL. All of the all of the stocks showing this symbol, this AAAPL, these all appeared here. If I clicked on this show all 73, you can see here all of the stocks. These are the country wise: Nasdaq, Sectra, Buenos Aires, Frankfurt, Mexico, TradeGate. All of those stocks containing the symbol AAPL appeared right here with the countries. You can see the investing.com consists of at least all of the stocks of the countries. Now let's take a look at TradingView. TradingView is I like to use for currencies. You know, like Euro USD or the forex market. It is best used for those. You can also find like I haven't used this much, so I don't know a lot about this, but I will give you a quick view of how you can use it. You can see S&P 500, and some of the stocks you can also, there are also available some of the stocks of the US stock exchange. You can uh, also use this for your analysis. These two websites are a bit the same. This TradingView and investing.com, like the options are available. Both of them contain the options which are like the indicators which are necessary for the analysis of a certain stock. You can see here all of those indicators which are necessary for the analysis of stocks appeared right here. You can see this is S&P 500. These are the again, this is Bitcoin USD. this Euro USD, Tesla, gold. This website, I haven't used it a lot, so I'm not going to talk about it much more. I don't want to misguide you. I only I use this for the analysis of Euro USD, as a foreign currencies trading, for the analysis of the foreign currencies. So I don't know a lot about this. Only you can, I guess you can find only the stocks of the US market, US stock exchange. So that's it. And the other there are other platforms as well, like the Robinhood and so many more. I haven't used them all, but I only know about these two websites, which are great for the technical analysis of certain stocks. Other than that, if you have to do your calculations yourself of how a stock will perform, how it will do, you have to know it from your own analysis as well. You have to do that analysis as well. So that's it for today. Hope you, if you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market, all I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.